Hi guys, in this video I will talk about Kaggle. So let's get started. This is the content we will do. First we will do what is Kaggle and how you can join the competition in Kaggle. Then after that we will see how you can download the dataset from Kaggle for making the model. First question is what is Kaggle? Kaggle is a website or platform you can say where you can do data science competition, particularly in supervised and unsupervised machine learning competition. I didn't see any reinforcement machine learning competition. Most of 99% you find supervised machine learning competition and unsupervised machine learning competition. So in this video, I will show you example of supervised machine learning competition. So first step is you have to register in the kaggle.com, and in what happen in supervised machine learning is that there are two dataset. One is trained dataset and another is test dataset. So you make a model on the trained dataset and you do the prediction on the test dataset. So this is the data set you will find in the Kaggle website. So there is a train. So let's say rain is a predicted variable, and when you download it, the test data set, what you will see, you didn't find a predicted variable. This is the competition of predicting the value of rain. So this is the process you do. First you download the data set and you making the model, then you do the prediction on the test data set, and after that what you do, you submit the Kaggle for checking. Then after that he compare the dataset and you got ranking and how much accurate your model is. Now let's go in Kaggle website. So this is the website www.kaggle.com. You can go by the in the browser, and after that what you have to do, you have to register. I already registered. This is the new I registered with a new email ID a few days ago, so just I am sign it. When Kaggle is open, it look like this. So this is the home here where you can see the news feed, and there is a competition. So these are all the competition you will see in when you open the website. So this is the first you have this is the category you see this featured research. You go in the getting dataset category. In this category you will find the dataset which is friendly, which is user friendly for the beginners. If you are a beginner, you can see you can enter this type of competition. So I am entering in a Titanic dataset, Titanic machine learning competition. So I press the join button, then press I understand, accept. After that you are 1 minute, then go to the data tab, then scroll down. You see test.csv, train.csv, so download it. So this is the train data set and this is the test data set. So I opened. In Titanic dataset there is a predicted variable survived. So in the train dataset you will see the survived predicted variable, but when you open the test dataset, I opened it. So this is the test data set, and as you can see that there is a no survived column. It is a predicted variable you have to predict by the making machine learning model. Thank you.